Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of Joseph Lee, a trailblazing Black American inventor who revolutionized the baking industry. Born in 1849 in Charleston, South Carolina, Joseph Lee's journey began in the most challenging of circumstances. Born to enslaved parents, Lee's early life was marked by hardship. However, his passion for cooking and baking would eventually lead him to become a pioneer in the culinary world. After the Civil War, Lee moved to Massachusetts, where he worked in various roles within the hospitality industry. His talent and dedication quickly earned him a reputation as a skilled baker and chef. He eventually opened his own catering company and restaurant, a significant achievement for an African American in the late 19th century. Joseph Lee's most notable contributions to the baking industry were his innovative machines. In 1894, he invented the automatic bread kneading machine, which could do the work of up to 6 people by kneading and preparing loaves for baking. This invention was a game changer, making the bread making process more efficient and consistent. But Lee didn't stop there. In 1895, he patented a bread-crumbing machine that turned day-old bread into breadcrumbs. This invention reduced food waste and provided a valuable ingredient for various culinary dishes. Joseph Lee's inventions had a profound impact on the baking industry. His machines were quickly adopted by major hotels and catering establishments, revolutionizing the way bread was made and used. Lee's legacy lives on today, as his innovations continue to influence modern baking techniques. Joseph Lee's story is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. From humble beginnings, he rose to become a celebrated inventor and a pioneer in the baking industry. His contributions have left an indelible mark on the culinary world, and his legacy continues to inspire us today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring baking and dessert stories. See you next time. Happy baking.